So everybody, welcome. Gonna have another evening, interesting evening. And we're going to practice the cloze and the synthesis, right? Synthesis and transformation. I get it. A lot of people just can't score full marks on that. Somehow or other, there will be one or two that are really tricky. But nonetheless, as I said, practice makes perfect, okay? And together with the practice, right, the more we practice, the more kinds of questions we practice, the more kinds of questions we'll be exposed to. And that will give us an opportunity to learn more grammar as well, okay? Because I'm going to explain to you how the answers are obtained or why it is that certain answers are not as good, okay? So, let's get cracking. And let's see now, where is the it's here over here. Just want to open up. No, Keith is here. Just come in. Hello, Keith. Are you there? Just in time, Keith. We're just starting the practice now. So, people, this is today's lesson, right? Let me just share screen. There we are. Okay. So cloze, multiple choice questions, okay, the vocabulary cloze, we have grammar cloze, and then we have synthesis and transformation. So well, if you have not done the questions already, never mind, then we'll have to do it on the spot, okay? But it's ideal if you had gone through it before the lesson and then you can check. I'm always open for questioning, right? And always open for you to challenge my answers as well, right? So please do raise questions, right? Clarify, and you know, right? Oops, can't move. Okay. So these are the three sections: vocabulary cloze, grammar cloze, synthesis, and transformation. So we're ready. Let's try this one, okay? Number one. So as usual, I would like you to use the chats. Okay, let me just type the question number and then off we go. Right, give me your answer to this question. Which is the word A, B, C, or D that matches the word jaunty? Sprightly old man walked on stage with a jaunty spring in his step. Okay, we've got a lot of answers here. There are two answers basically that are popular. Okay. Oh, now somebody has changed, is it? All right. Great. Most of you are in. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. So the answer is actually C. Bouncy. Right? Bouncy. Jaunty means bouncy. Jaunt means like you are like a dance, a jump, like a hop, jaunty. Okay, so with a jaunty spring is that. Now, somebody put down D, sedate. So the word sedate is actually opposite, complete opposite of bouncy. Okay, sedate means you are rather calm. Okay, it's rather still, very sedate. So somebody who is sedated is like taking drugs and therefore become very sleepy, right? So not sedate, definitely. And if you look at the context, important to look at the context of the statements. Okay, around the word jaunty, you have the word spring to tell you that well, it's going to be energetic, right? So vigorous is a possibility, right? With spring, he walked on stage with a vigorous spring in his step. Okay, but the word John's actually means hop. So bouncy is the best answer. Okay, remember, we don't look for a suitable answer. We don't look for just a valid answer. So vigorous is a possible answer, is suitable, a vigorous spring there, very energetic, right? But we look for the best answer. This is the best answer, which is bouncy, all right? Hey, the word spring there can give you a sense also, like bouncing, bounce, springing, right? So that's the clue there. Any questions, anyone? No, let's go on to the next, okay? Number 2, and are you ready? Go, give me your answer for number 2. Janice and Ian are in already. Nabil, hello, Nabil. Is there anybody who's waiting outside? No, everybody is in. Good, well done. Sorry. Okay, jeer at him. What does jeer mean? Oh, there are quite a number of answers here. Huh? Interesting. Interesting. B, A, and C. All right, most of you have your answers in. You've got 5 seconds. Those who have not, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what is the answer for jeer? It is to sneer. Okay. The word sneer here means actually to to like mock a person, right? To mock, to sneer at him. Oh, this guy is no good. You know, to sneer. So the facial expression will be sneer. Okay. So jeering, I think many of you would know what jeering means, right? When you are at a game or something, a crowd, and you jeer, you say boo, boo, well, that's jeering. Okay, it's the opposite of cheer, right? The opposite is cheer. Yay, go, go, cheer, and encourage him. Cheer is boo, no good, you're no good. So the idea of sneer. Okay, so some have put snigger. I think one person has put a whoop. Okay, whoop tends to be positive, is good. Whoop is like that. It means is good. Whoop is good, right? Sneer is no good. It means he's sneering, right? You don't like him, so you put a thumbs down. Sneering. Okay, any questions? Nope. Let's go on to the next one. Number 3. Your answers, please. For number 3, momentarily. Momentarily. It was momentarily shocked. Yep. The answers are coming in. The answers are coming in. Good. Good. Right. And a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let's see now. What happened to my there you go. Here it is. Okay. So we have again quite a variety of answers here, right? We have people answering A, B, quite a number also, C and D. Yes, he was momentarily shocked, but he recovered quickly enough. So is it A, fleetingly? Fleetingly means very quickly, in a short space of time, right? Just for a quick moment. Okay, for a quick moment. Abruptly means what? It's suddenly. Hastily means quickly. And swiftly have the same idea as quickly as well. It's fast. Fast. Okay. So momentary, which is the best? Which is the best? I think A is the best, right? He was momentarily shocked. Shocked just for a quick moment. Why? Where's the clue? Can anyone tell me where the clue is? Raise your hand. I can speak into your mic. Where is the clue to tell you that it's just for a short period of time? Anyone? How about you, Keith? Keith? Where's the clue that tells us that actually is momentarily?
He recovered quickly enough to continue his act.
Yes, he recovered quickly enough. So in other words, it was only for a short while that he was shocked. He recovered from his shock. Okay, so fleetingly. Okay, when you say fleet, fleet means very quick, right? Fleet of foot. You're very fleeting. You run is fleeting. Okay, so why is it then that hastily and swiftly cannot? Because hastily is also means quick, right? Swiftly also means quickly. Suddenly, of course, it's definitely out, right? It's definitely out. But the word fleeting actually means you can cover a lot of ground in a short space of time. Okay, in a very short space of time. Whereas hastily and swiftly means you're fast. You're fast. The idea of fast. Okay, so that's why fleeting has the same. Also is used to talk about moments of time. They're very short. Okay, so fleetingly. But remember, fleet can also means quick. As a quick moment, right? Fleet of foot. Here's very fleet of foot. We talk about that. Right? Are we okay? Ready? Next one. Pelting. Everybody. Number 4. Go. Pelting him. One of the boys in the front row pulled out some objects from a bag and started pelting him with them. Okay, we have number of A's, number of B's, 1D. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So where is the clue here that tells us, gives us an idea what pelting is? Anyone? Anyone? What about you, Pranati? You want to try? Tell us, where is the clue in this text, in this past paragraph or text?
Pulled out some object from a bag.
Pulled out some objects from a bag. You are absolutely correct. Okay, that's a big clue there. He put out some objects. So when he pulled out some objects and started, so it probably is throwing these objects at him, right? But then he didn't say, the pelting here doesn't talk about the objects that he pulled out from the bag as objects, but him. So pelting him. So it must be throwing at him. Okay, you cannot be tossing him. Tossing him means you are throwing the boy himself, right? You're tossing him. Spraying him, of course, is to do with a mist, right? Some water, either liquid or spray droplets. Okay, hoisting is lifting him up. So the word is bombarding. It comes from the word bomb. It's like bombing him, bombarding. You're throwing things at him like bombs, so they all fall down on him like bombs, bombarding. So the word pelting means bombarding. So A is the answer, right? Any questions there, anyone? Okay, one last one. Prickled. Number 5, go. This